the Arla showroom.
Come and take a look at these design boards. The kitchen is going to have a mixture of this beautiful light blue cabinetry along with this wood. That two-tone look really lends itself to add dimension. We have this gorgeous 8 or 9 inch white oak wide plank floors. Absolutely beautiful. This blonde wood is very, very in right now, and it's just a timeless look. You could very easily live upstairs and then just walk downstairs to your retail space. So once you close up shop and you're done for the day, this is how long your commute is. 4 steps. Look at these ceilings. This is a kitchen I could really have some fun in. Your stove, your refrigerator, and your dishwasher. All Bosch. You know, look at the wingspan in this shower. There's so much room. If I lived here, I would probably just be perched right here all the time.